good morning, dear students. You know that this is your class 4th NCERT EVS book and we are reading the chapter number 25. This is the second part of the chapter. In the first part of the chapter, we learn about the different kinds of spices such as chili, turmeric, black pepper, cumin seed, fennel, and clove. And what we have learned about that the chili is added into the food to make the food spicy. The turmeric is added into the food, that is the root part of a plant, and that is added in the food to make the food yellow. The chili is the fruit part of a plant. The black pepper is also a fruit part of a plant, and you know that we can see the black pepper in Kerala. There is so many big gardens of black pepper in the Kerala. And we have learned about the cumin seed, that is mostly used in jaljeera and curd. We have learned about the fennel, that is used to make our mouth, that is used to make our mouth fresh. If when we eat fennel after taking our meal, then it refreshes our mouth. Then after that, we read about the clove. The clove is like the clove is look like a nail, and that is applied on the toothache when if there is anyone who feel the pain in their tooth, then the oil of clove is applied on the affected place. And you know that the clove and the turmeric has the medicinal properties. So now answer some questions. Now try and make your own riddle about two other spices. Ask those riddles in your class. Draw a picture of the two spices in your notebook and write their names. So first we have taken the two spices here. This is the first riddle. I look like the bark of a tree. I come in shape of small sticks. I am used in dishes for many fragrance. For my fragrance, I am also used in chocolate, candies, and chewing gums. I am chocolatey brown. Tell me who I am. So, are you watching that? This is the spice that look like a bark of a tree, and this is also a small stick. Its shape is like a small stick, and this is used in the dishes for fragrance, and this is also used in chocolate, candies, and chewing gums. So this is called the cinnamon. This is the next riddle. The next riddle is, I am the costliest spice in the world. I give yellow color to dishes like biryani. I look like fine hairs. Tell me who I am. Are you watching this? This is saffron, and saffron is said that the costliest spice in the world. This is yellow in color, and it is used when we cook the biryani, and it is also used in the milk. Question number 2. Find out which spices are used in your house for cooking. Make a list and look at your friends' list too. So here you are watching some spices are there. This is cumin seed, that is jeera. This is chili. This is fennel. This is asafoetida. This is mustard, and this is cardamom. The cardamoms are two types, the black cardamom and the green cardamom, or you can say the small cardamom and the big cardamom. This is question number this is the next question. When your grandparents were young, which spice were used most in their kitchen? Find out from them and write here. So the answer is, my grandparents used to use the spice like turmeric, cumin, chilies, mustard, etc. Name one spice which is put into both sweet and salty things. Cardamom is used both in sweet and salty dishes. Sweet, the cardamom is used in halwa, in making halwa, and this is also used in biryani. And you know the next spice that is used into both sweet and salty things, that is the black pepper. Find out what is put into food to make it taste sour. So the answer is the vinegar, lemon juice or dry mango powder, that is also called amchur, is put into food to make it taste sour. Dear friends, you know that our parents and today we all are also use a type of spice that is called garam masala and hot spices. So you can say garam masala is a mixture of several spices like cinnamon, cardamom, clove, black pepper, etc., which are dry roasted and grinded into a fine powder. This is the spelling grinded, grinded, because you are watching that there are some spices here and these are roasted in a pot first of all, and after that they are grinded and this is changed into this type of powder. So you are watching how many spices are here. This is a nutmeg, that is also called jaifal. This is the curry leaf. This is star anise. This is cloves, that is also called long. This is fennel, that is also called saunf. This is the small cardamom. This is big cardamom, or this is black cardamom, and this is a green cardamom. This is a cinnamon. This is black pepper. This is you can say kali mirch, dalchini, cumin seed or zira, and this is coriander. This is dry coriander, and all these spices are first of all grinded in a pot, and after that they are roasted in a pot, and after that they are grinded in a mixture. Then after when they look like a powder like this. I am Kuttan. I live in Kerala. There is a garden of spices in the backyard of my house. There I see plants of tej patta, small and big cardamom and black pepper grow. A boy whose name is Kuttan, he lives in Kerala, and he is telling that there is a garden of spices in the backyard of his house, and there the plant of tej patta, small and big cardamom and black pepper grow. Find out whether any spices are grown in your area. Write their names here. So either write this: yes, there is a bay leaf or tej patta plant growing in my courtyard, or you can say, or you can write your own answer about yourself. The bay leaf is also called the cassia. This is cassia or bay leaf. This is green coriander. This is black coriander. This is green cardamom. This is black cardamom, and this is black pepper. Bring some whole spices to class. Write their names in the table. Close your eyes and try to recognize each spice by smelling and touching each one in turn. Each one in turn. Put a tick mark in front of the ones you recognize. If you do not recognize any, put a cross mark. So here, numbers, smell, touch, name of spices. So first of all, you can write that I can recognize mostly spices by smelling and touching. So first of all, the name of the spices: the cumin, the cinnamon, it is smooth while touching, and its smell is sweet and strong. The garlic, it has the uneven surface and its smell is strong. The cardamom, it is smooth while touching and its smell is sweet and strong. The turmeric, it is smooth while touching and its smell is light. The ginger, it is rough while touching and its smell is light. Here, let us try making a spicy potato chaat. For this, you need boiled potato, enough for everybody in the class. Salt, red chili powder, mango powder, or you can say amchur or lemon according to the taste. Here we are making a potato chaat. Roasted cumin seed, jeera, black salt, and garam masala if it is possible. Fresh coriander leaves. Now the recipe